Today I'm checking out the security camera by Tapo from TP-Link. This is a Wi-Fi camera which will connect to my TP-Link Deco system I've got in the house. It is solar powered, which excites me because then I don't have to figure out how to route power to it. This has a 360-degree range of view with two 2K cameras. The first camera is a fixed camera with a 165-degree view of range, and the other is a pan tilt zoom camera that will track. It has AI tracking to identify human, animals, or vehicles. That's part of the package. You don't need a subscription for it. If you want cloud storage, that's where the subscription comes in. But if you'd rather use a memory card, this is capable of handling up to 512 gigabytes. Now, I'm gonna get this installed on my house here so I can have a nice view of my front yard. In the box, we have solar panel, of course the camera, mounting bracket, and a couple of different cables. You have an extension cable so you can mount the solar panel away from the camera. If you have the camera somewhere you want to mount it, but it doesn't get good sun, you can extend that and mount it a little bit farther away, which is what I'm planning on doing. I might change that, we'll see. That's the camera. I'm gonna go get it installed.
The installation process was fairly simple. They gave you detailed instructions that included templates so you knew where to drill the holes for the screws. This is me installing the bracket that holds the camera. Then I moved on to the bracket for the solar panel, dropped my 3 screws into it, put the little cover plate that they provide for that, and then attached the solar panel and the wire extension, clip the camera in, and plug the camera in as well. This is the final install. As you notice, I did move the camera because I had some problems with that eave being too white and causing problems with the infrared at night, so I moved it back to the back wall of my patio and moved it down to about 8 foot high and took advantage of that long extension cable that came with it.
Here we are in the app, and you can see it's tracking me on both the cameras. The pan tilt is following me while the fixed camera is still tracking me, and it's doing quite a good job of that. I'm super excited on having this in my yard to just see what's going on in my front yard, and if anything does happen, I'll have it recorded and on video.
This is an example of what the video looks like after you download it from the app. I have in the smaller window the pan tilt, and of course the fixed camera in the larger window. This is just me going out and measuring some of my landscaping for some things we might want to do. This is what the night vision IR looks like. Once again, I have the pan tilt camera following me in the lower window there, and the fixed camera is doing its job and making sure that it catches anything that's in the proximity of the front of my house. It also has the ability to detect pets and animals, and you can see here one of the neighborhood cats has decided to take a stroll across my front patio.
One of the other favorite things about this is the tap to focus feature. If you just tap in a certain area on the fixed camera, like so, the pan tilt will then go check out that area for you. And that way you can go, well, what's going on there? If there's something happening and you're not quite sure what it is and you want to get a better view, that's just how you do that. And you can zoom in and zoom back out. Got the camera installed, super happy with the range of view. Oh, hey, the pan tilt tracking, as you can see, is working. It's getting a nice up close view of me right now. But it does do well in my front yard and tracking what's happening on my front porch. So if you're looking for a great solar powered security camera, you don't have to worry about figuring out how to get power to it, just have to get solar going. That's wall mountable and Wi-Fi, so it's just completely wireless. I would definitely check out this one from Tapo by TP-Link.